Hi Atrailers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make use of Gemini Nano Banana to create images, edit your image, and also be able to do all this absolutely free of charge, no login, no charges, and unlimited use. In this video, you'll be able to generate images like this, as well as your own images as you prompt it. Let's get right into the video. The first thing you need to do is simply go to your Google and type in lmarena.ai. Once you have this type in the browser, it takes you directly to the website. You can use to access Gemini Nano Banana for free. What you just need to do is go back to this part where you click on Battle, come direct chat, then click on image. As you can see, you have Gemini Nano Banana there. That's LM you're using for this particular prompting. I have already made prompts already, so let me just try one and test it out. Put in this prompt, let's see what it gives us. It kind of tinkers for a minute, and as you can see, wonderful image. Let's try one more prompt, see what capacity it can give us again. So as you can see, we have another prompt in. Let's test it and see what it gives us. Buffering, yeah, beautiful. Another thing you can also do in Nano Banana is to edit your own images, remove backgrounds, you can change the image, you can add things to the images. So let's remove the background for this particular default image, see how good it looks. So it's tinker for a minute right there, and yeah, perfect, clean and fine. One other thing you need to know is that in case you run into a limit error like this, all you just need to do is go over the top right hand side of your browser. Then, as you can see, you go to the top right side of your browser, click on those double buttons, click on it and follow the instructions, play out of cookies, and back to the website again, fresh and new. Unlimited use, no login, free for all. Catch you next time.